Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to trade meme coins on XRP. So step number 1 is to set up an XRP wallet. Use wallets that supports XRP and tokens issued on the XRP ledger, such as some wallet. This is recommended for XRPL, or you can also use other wallets like Ledger, Nano with XRPL support. And then once you're done choosing the XRP wallet, just set up the wallet and secure your seed phrase. Fund your wallet with XRP to cover trading fees. This reserve is 10 XRP. So in this example, we're going to be using some. So step number 2 is to fund your wallet. So you have to buy XRP. You have to purchase XRP from a cryptocurrency exchange, like for example Binance, or you can also use Coinbase. So this is from Binance. And then transfer the XRP to your wallet. Send the purchased XRP to your wallet address. This one, you have to send it here. Now step number 3 is to find the meme coin on XRPL. You can use platforms like XRPL tools. So to find token information, you can use a Sologenic for tokenized assets and trading. You can also search on your Google for XRPL tools, and these results will come up. And then in your wallet, like for example some, locate and add the meme coins, issuer, address, and currency code. So you just have to fill out those. And then step number 4 is to use a decentralized exchange. So in short, DEX. So you can use platforms like Sologenic DEX or the built-in DEX in some wallet to trade. So you just have to log into DEX and connect your XRPL compatible wallet, and then choose the XRP or meme coin or the specific token trading pair. And then enter the amount of XRP to swap for the meme coin, and just review and confirm the transaction. So this is how the Sologenic DEX looks like. You can do the steps right here. Now for step number 5 is to confirm the trade. You have to wait for processing. So trades on XRPL are fast and typically confirmed within seconds. Then just have to check your wallet and ensure the meme coins appear in your wallet. So like for example this one, as you can see here your XRP. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!